encouraging our women, art and culture of our country. Women to come out and participate, a little push, achieve anything. A very important tradition, Rangoli in front of every household. We celebrate Makar Sankranti with beautiful colors. Gives us that positive energy. Winning and losing, never take your defeat to the heart or victory to your head. First festival of the new year. Very happy Makar Sankranti.
Hello and namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal, and right now I'm standing at the JP Park, the RR Nagar constituency. Kusuma madam is with us. Hello ma'am, welcome to KTV India.
Hi, thank you so much.
Ma'am, so this celebration, literally it's like a celebration of art. I think the talent, you guys are celebrating it, and I must say ma'am, congratulations, you have such beautiful people in your constituency. They are coming out, they are showcasing their talent. What do you have to tell about this participation, because it's a huge number, more than 100 people have came and participated here.
Yeah, I would firstly thank Karnataka TV and Ad 6 for giving us an opportunity to conduct such an event, encouraging our women, encouraging the art and culture of our country. And also I would like to congratulate all my party workers, all my Congress party workers and leaders for organizing such a beautiful event. So each and every person has put in 100% of their effort to organize this within a short duration of time. So I would definitely congratulate everybody for conducting such a successful event today.
Ma'am, as I said, it's on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti, and apart from that, what was the main motive, bringing out the people, showcasing like how powerful it is, like people are coming out? What was the main thing regarding behind this Rangoli Spartha?
Well, I think you should ask Karnataka TV who came up with this idea, because we've always organized events of such events which encourages women to come out and participate, and they must get an opportunity. All that women needs is a little push, so they can achieve anything. But here, surprisingly, there are boys who have come and participated as well. So this is basically a very important tradition of our culture. Rangoli in front of every household. It is a very important tradition of our culture, and we celebrate Makar Sankranti with all these beautiful rangolis with beautiful colors. So it gives us that positive energy. So I definitely am very happy that within a very short period of time, a lot of women have come and participated. And I press on this, that I must tell that my workers and my leaders have put in a lot of effort to organize this event. Of course, there'll be winning and losing in any competition. This is a Rangoli competition, but then my leaders have made sure that each and every participant gets something out of this competition other than the participatory certificates. So everybody have arranged their own gifts according to whatever capacity they have. So I must congratulate and thank all my Congress party leaders.
One more thing, ma'am, the results are yet to out. What are your message to the participants as well as to the KTV India audience, ma'am?
I would actually congratulate each and every winner who wins the competition. So I don't know who the winner is going to be, but I will always tell that, my father always tells that, never take your defeat to the heart or victory to your head. So that is what I would like to tell, and all the KTV audience also, very happy Makar Sankranti, and may all your wishes come true. This is the first festival of the new year. So I just wish each and everyone a very happy Makar Sankranti and a happy new year. May all you achieve everything you require in life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable time.